Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you and give you some confidence that you don't have to readjust these small screws on your rear derailleur in order to replace the inner shifter cable. So let's get into this video and show you what I'm talking about. So you see over here, first of all, this is the old cable over here, the old one, which I'm gonna put aside for now, okay? And over here, I have a brand new cable going over here and going this way. And I'm gonna start off by putting this shifter right here. Let you show you the cable over here. Okay, that's already in place. Going through the guides over here. And this is the important part over here. So you see everything is loose over here, okay? But the derailleur over here is not going out too much, and it's going over here right at the end where it should be. So what that means, I don't have to mess with these two screws because the derailleur will stay over here where I need it to stay. All I have to do is tighten this screw over here and do the shifting test. And let's get into this part right now. So what I'm gonna do now, I have my trusty Parktool over here, and I just need to pull. And I just need to pull this hard, and I gotta tighten this screw, this bolt over here. Let you see what I'm talking about. Okay, nice and tight. I can already see it's beautiful. I'm not going to trim it just yet, okay? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test, okay, how this thing is shifting in order to prove it to you that I don't have to readjust these two screws over here. And let's do that right now, okay? Okay. Beautiful, okay. Okay, it's a little bit hard to do this with the, you see? On the last one, and I think that's it. You see, it won't skip in the spokes because I have a guard, but at the same time this is adjusted. And if you look over here, you see, it shifts fine, perfectly fine, and I don't have to come back to adjust these two screws or mess with this derailleur. I just need to come back and trim my excess cable, and that's pretty much that. So if you were lacking some confidence to replace your shifter cable, this is the video to show you that it easily can be done without readjusting the rear derailleur. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.